Hey everybody, welcome back. We're back here at the stand we've been working on. I'm going to go ahead and get some propane hooked up into it. I'm going to drill a hole up through the bottom, or actually from the inside down, so I can get to propane on that. Then we're going to hook this heater up to it on the inside with this hose we got. We did get a special hose for it that comes for, works with Buddy heaters, because you want to, these hoses, you got to make sure that you get the right kind of hose with it, because you can get one off of just like, if you buy one off of Amazon, it'll leak oils into the Buddy heater and it'll stop working. So you got to be really careful about the kind of hoses you get on them. And you can even buy filters for them too, which I've got a filter back at the house. I'll probably add that to it. But I just want to get this hooked up and ready to go so that it's ready to heat it up here during the hunting season. So I was going to go inside here and kind of see where I want to drill down from. I'm thinking in this area here, I just need to go check on the other side to see if there's clearance underneath it. I think there is, but I don't know if we put those boards like right there. We might have, which would be like right here on the edge of it. So I'm going to see what it looks like. Yeah, see, that's kind of what I was thinking. Well, maybe it'll be all right if we go on the side here. Otherwise, it's going to hit this. Maybe we'll be all right if we go on the inside of this, I think it looks like, because this is the very outside of the building there. I think if we come in a little bit on that edge, I think we'll come out where we want to. Well, if we mess it up, we mess it up. We can always patch the hole. So let's go ahead and give it a try from the inside here. I kind of purposely built this here because that's where I'll probably attach the heater when I put a permanent heater in here. But I won't get to that till next year. So in the meantime, I'm just going to put this Buddy heater in here. And I think if we drill right through here, I think we will be okay. So we're going to go down right here. I think I'm going to go get my other drill. It's got more power than this one. All right, here's my other drill. It's got more power. There we go. We're all the way through. And then I'll be able to fish that hose up through there to hook up to the heater in here. Let's go see if the heater will work before I hook it all up down there. I noticed before at the house when I was messing with this to test it out that if you screw this in too tight in here, it wouldn't work because it would just have too much pressure on it. So it's kind of a delicate balance about how tight it is on here versus too tight. When you screw this on the tank here, you got to go opposite. This is how it threads on there. It goes opposite of what you would think. So it's not righty-tighty, it's lefty-tighty in this case. Like I said before, I had it too tight on here, so I want to make sure that let's open that up, make sure we don't smell anything. I don't smell any gas. So let's go ahead and hook it up to the heater here. Right, it took me a little bit to get this the right amount of tension on this. I've got a flame going now. This is running. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this up a little bit more. See if I get a flame going here still. I think we're good though. So that's on there where I think I need it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this back off now and snake it up through that hole there. And then I've got the hole right through here. Just gonna push that there, then I'll go grab it from the inside and pull it in. And we will take the heater with us. Get that on there. Starts right up since it was warmed up already. Here we go. We got heat. I can already feel it getting warm in here. So the last thing I have is a thermometer that I went and bought, just a metal thermometer. I'm going to hang it up, I think, right here in the corner for now, and that'll tell us kind of how hot it's getting in here, so that way you can adjust the heat on this, on the heater, to kind of keep the temperature in here and what you want it to be. Here's the little thermometer that I bought. It's already heating up here, guys. It feels like it's going to get 70 degrees in here really quick. It already says it's 65. But I was going to just put that on the wall here. The kit was nice enough to come with 2 screws with it. So we'll put one of them in here. And the other one will go on the side here with it. So that holds it on there. So there we go. Now I want to know what the temperature is in here. And I'll fill in this hole here with some of this great stuff real quick. Alright, so that's all hooked up. Filled in the hole with the great stuff to fill that up. That'll hold that in place. So it's looking really good now, guys. Go up here. You guys have seen the drill here. I went ahead and sweeped it out a little bit too. So the floor's all nice. Got the office chair in here now. It's still 65 degrees in here, and it's not even, I don't even have the heater on. I think it really heats it up because I put those black shingles on the outside of this thing, so it's just absorbing heat from the sun. So like I said, it's already like 65 in here. If you turn this heater on, you could definitely get it up even higher than that. The heater should come on pretty easily for the girls, who I think are going to come and hunt out of this year. I think I turned it off downstairs though, but yeah. So that's the heater. That's the thermometer in here. We've got the office chair in here. It rolls really nice. This floor is really nice and smooth. This is going to be super nice to hunt out of. You can even see the pond over there. It's really low. It's been so dry up here. Next year, or maybe later this winter after hunting season, we'll get up here and I think we'll insulate this, and then we'll start working on the walls. I've got some other ideas for this as well. I think I'm going to put some. I'm going to put solar on top of it eventually. Probably won't get to that till next year, so we'll have power in here. It's going to be pretty nice. This year I'll just bring my portable power bank with me, so that'll be enough to give them power in here. But man, yeah, this is going to be super nice in here, guys. I got plenty of more plans for it. If you got some ideas on what you guys would do to a hunting stand like this, how would you finish it out? Let me know down in the comments. Tell me what you think. All right, I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like this video, and like I said, give me some comments on how do you think it's going, and like what would you like to do to the inside of this building if we're going to do something to it. We'll see you guys in the next one.